Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'd like to introduce you to this short video. So what we've installed is a Thatcham approved Category 5 tracker on this 2018 BMW i8. As you can see, an absolutely stunning vehicle that we've installed a Category 5 tracker to the highest installation standards possible. So I'll talk you through a little about what the Category 5 tracker is and what it does. I've done a full video on that and that's on our Protect and Connect 5 page. I'll drop the link for that below. So the way the Category 5 tracker works, we've used a Protect and Connect 5 system. So it comes with this little card here which has a 24-hour stolen vehicle helpline on there as well. So if the vehicle is stolen, you can give that number a call and alert the authorities that way as well, and that goes through to Vodafone Automotive. One of the main things is these two little tags. So these are ADR tags. Basically what they are, if one of these two tags aren't present, even with the factory key in your hand, you will get a phone call. Main thing with that, say if your vehicle's parked up at your premises overnight or in your house, someone breaks in, steals this key, doesn't steal this key, main thing is that you're going to get a phone call and you're going to be alerted straight away and instantly, and hopefully your vehicle gets recovered. Recovery time is around about 15 to 30 minutes on the Vodafone Protect and Connect system, so really effective. It's our go-to for choice of tracking systems, and it's a Thatcham approved system as well. So this has all been installed within one day. This customer has been taken use of one of our loan cars, so we have a fleet of loan cars available as well. So it could be done in one day. So if you have any questions about this product or this installation in particular, contact numbers 01223 56 30 30. I'll pop all the links below. But thank you very much for watching, and also please don't forget to like and share our video. Thank you very much.